Through flak and smoke they find their marks, the Iron Eagles fierce and stark. In fierce formation side by side, they dare the bombers to collide. A ballet in the blazed air, their machine gun song a deadly prayer.
Oh my god, more absolute nonsense from Chopper Girl. Because the YouTube audience apparently prefer a diet of total mental garbage instead of the super creative videos she busts her ass to make. Like and subscribe to join the Leafblower Squadron. Leave your fighter pilot call sign and what you fly in the comments. The Leafblower Squadron thanks you for your 2 minutes. You'll never get them back.
I know, right? What the hell? What the hell? You know how much money I could make in the porn industry just editing shitty little videos for millions of views? This is bullshit.